Namaste. Welcome to your Sunrise Slow Yoga Flow. For this practice, you will need 2 blocks and make sure to keep them somewhere close by. Then stand up tall at the front of your yoga mat, feet are hip width apart, lift up your kneecaps, arms along your body and shine your palms forward. Stand up tall and strong in mountain pose, Tadasana. Breathe in through your nose, circle your arms down, around and up. As you breathe out through your nose, lower your arms down. Rainbow breaths. Big belly breath in through your nose, circling your arms up. Big belly breath out through your nose. Lower your arms down. Now inhale, lift your arms up. Get ready to fold forward, so start bending your knees as much as you need to protect your lower back. And then fold forward from your hip creases. Come all the way down. Grab your blocks. You can use these for support. If you don't have blocks, place your hands on your shins or on your thighs. On your next inhale, come up halfway, lengthen your spine, keep your neck in line with your spine. As you exhale, lower down. Inhale, circle your arms down, around and up, come all the way up. Exhale, unite your hands in front of your heart. Again, inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, folding forward. Come all the way down, soften your knees, relax your neck. Breathe in, come up halfway, and as you breathe out, fold forward. Inhale, circle your arms down, around, up, come all the way up. Exhale, unite your hand palms in front of your heart. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, fold forward, come all the way down. Remember to bend your knees as much as you need to. Relax your neck. Inhale, come up halfway, and exhale to lower down. And stay here for a few moments, relaxing your neck, keeping your eyes open, and you can release your blocks or your shins. If you want, you can hold on to your opposite elbows and take ragdoll pose. Maybe sway from side to side. You can gently shake your head yes or no. Release any tension, release thoughts, drop it all into the earth. Now as you inhale, come all the way up, lift your arms up, and as you exhale, open your arms in cactus position, open your heart, let the sunshine come in. Slightly look up, take long deep breaths, engage your core to protect your back, and ground down through your feet. And then inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, lower your arms down. For the following sequence, make sure to keep 1 block close by. Keep your right foot in front. Step your left foot out to the back. Heels are in line with each other. Left foot is parallel with the short edge of your yoga mat. Raise your arms parallel with the ground. And then bump your left hip back. Reach your right arm forward and place your right hand on top of your right thigh, lower leg, or use your block. And remember, you can use the highest or the lowest level with your block and reach your left arm up or place your left hand on your hip. And remember to breathe deeply in your triangle pose, Trikonasana. This pose is great to give you full body stretch. Stay in your triangle pose. We will add arm circles. With your left arm, reach forward, down, back, and up. Do that a few more times. And then with your left arm, reaching up, push your right hand into the earth and then push yourself up for reverse triangle. Raise your right arm up, lower your left hand down. And then inhale, come back to center. Lengthen out your stance, step your right foot a little bit further forward, bend your right knee, lengthen out your back leg, and then rest your right elbow on top of your right knee, or hold on to your block on a lower or higher level. Then lift your left arm up and over for extended side angle pose. Take a moment to check in with yourself and your pose and see where you need to adjust. Stay here and draw 4 circles. So reach with your left arm Forward, down, back, and up. Do that a few times. Follow with your breath. Make it your last circle. Back to your extended side angle pose, and then turn your upper body back towards the ground. Lower your left hand down, frame your front foot, framing your right foot. You can put your block aside for now. Walk your hands out long towards the front of your yoga mat or even past your yoga mat. Stretch out your whole body, drive through your back heel. And then walk your hands back, frame your front foot. Keep your left hand on the floor and then inhale, reach your right arm up, open towards the sky, easy twist pose. As you exhale, lower your right hand down and step it back to all fours. Knees directly under your hips, wrists directly under your shoulders. Inhale, drop your belly, slightly lift your chin for cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, chin to your chest for cat pose. Again, inhale, slightly arch your spine, open your chest, and exhale, round and contract, push the earth away. Keep going in your cat-cow pose exercise. Follow your breath. This is a great way to warm up the spine. Then slowly come to neutral spine. Then curl your toes under. Lift your knees a few inches off the ground and engage your core. Hold it for one deep breath. And then straighten out your legs or keep a soft bend in your knees as you lift your hips up towards the sky for a downward facing dog. Heels don't have to be touching the ground. So press your belly down towards your thighs. And feel free to walk it out. Bend one knee and then the other. Keep alternating to warm up your hamstrings and calves. Lift your heels up and then turn your heels towards your right. Bend your right knee. Straighten out your left leg. Take 2 deep, even length breaths. And then do the other side. So come back to center. Lift your heels all the way up and then turn your heels towards your left side. Bend your left knee, straighten out your right leg, and you'll feel a side body stretch here. And then come back to center, onto your tippy toes. Walk all the way towards your hands in a standing forward bend. Inhale, circle your arms down, round and up, come all the way up. And exhale, open up in cactus arms. Open your chest, let the sun shine in. Inhale, lengthen up, and exhale, lower your arms down. So let's take that whole sequence on the other side. Grab your block, and keep your left foot where it is, pointing forwards. Step your right foot out to the back. Your right foot is parallel with the short edge of your yoga mat. Heels are in line with each other. Inhale, raise your arms parallel with the ground. Exhale, bump your right hip to the back. And reach with your left hand, left arm forward. Then place your left hand on your thigh, shin, or use your block. And you can also choose the level. Right hand on your hip or up towards the sky. You can look up or down in triangle pose. Breathe deeply. Be mindful of your front, your left leg. Try to keep a micro bend in your left knee. Let's take those 4 arm circles with your right arm reaching up, forward, down to the back, up again. Keep going 3 more times. And the last one. Wonderful. As you inhale, slightly bend your left knee and push yourself up. Take reverse triangle. Lower your right hand down and reach your left arm up. Enjoy a nice side body stretch. Inhale, come back to center. Lengthen your stance. Bend your left knee and extend your right leg. Then place your left elbow on your left knee or hold your block in its lowest or highest level. Create a strong foundation by hugging your thighs in towards each other and then bring your right arm up and overhead. Take slow, even length breaths. And again, take 4 arm circles here. Circling your right arm forward, down, back, and up. Work with your breath. And finish it up. Well done. And then slowly and mindfully, turn your whole body down towards the ground. Lower your right arm down. Place your right hand on the floor, frame your front foot, and curl your back toes under. For runner's lunge, for a nice full body stretch, walk your hands out towards the front and maybe even past your yoga mat. You can lower your head down and really stretch out your whole back, your spine, drive through your right heel, and reach with your hands forward, stretching out your whole body. Take a long deep breath in through your nose, slow breath out. And then walk your hands back, framing your left foot. As you breathe in, raise your left arm up towards the sky, shine your heart up, and enjoy a nice gentle twist, easy twist pose. And take 2 deep cleansing breaths. And then as you exhale out of your easy twist, lower your left hand down. Come onto all fours. Knees directly under your hips. And take puppy pose. Keep your hips right above your knees. Walk your hands out towards the front of your yoga mat. And melt your heart down. Place your forehead on the ground. Enjoy a nice upper body stretch. Keep your breath smooth, even and steady. And slowly walk yourself back out. And take child's pose. Bring your big toes together. Sit back on your heels. Widen your knees as much as you want to. Bring your chest towards the ground. Place your forehead on the ground. Arms are along your body. Or reach forward with your arms. Take a moment to breathe. To rest. Slowly walk yourself up and out of your child's pose. Bring your knees together if they weren't together. Sit back on your heels, take a moment and hero pose. Rest your palms on your thighs. And let's get ready for a short guided meditation. Take a seated cross-legged position and you can use your block. Sit at the edge of your block so there's a natural curve in your spine, like so. And I'm going to face you now. So take your meditation position, cross-legged position, and rest the backs of your hands on your thighs. Lengthen your spine, relax your shoulders, close your eyes, or softly gaze at the floor. Take a few deep breaths in and out through your nose. And invite gratitude for yourself for taking this time to wake up mindfully, taking this time to slowly warm up your body, getting yourself ready for the day ahead. And then let's extend this feeling of gratitude into the rest of our day, being intentional and mindful, grateful for all of the life blessings that are coming our way, all the opportunities, with this following affirmation. I am grateful for all of the life blessings that are coming my way today. I am grateful for all of the life blessings that are coming my way today. And then deepen your breath. Turn your palms facing down. Dip your chin as we seal our practice together. And then take a deep breath in, circling your arms up, gathering all the love, light, and positive energy into your whole being. As you breathe out, let your palms kiss and draw your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart. Thank yourself for taking this time to committing to your practice, and thank you so much for practicing with me. May this practice be a blessing to you, and may you have a beautiful and blessed day. From my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Sign up now for your free Blissful Morning Guide by clicking the first link below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like and share this video with your friends and family, and I look forward to seeing you soon again.